Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Les goûts, très joli. Ce matin, les goûts, très joli. Merci.
Good morning, my friends. Welcome to our channel. I'm gonna offer you Haitian stew. We have our meat here. We're gonna prepare it. We have the spices that we will use. We have the carrot to use for the stew. We have sweet potato. We have tomato. We also have green pepper, plantain with us. We have yam for the stew. We have baby potato, and we also have white cabbage. We'll use it for the stew too. We're gonna start preparing it. We have our lemon. Let us use the lemon to prepare the meat, to clean the meat. We have the meat here. We're gonna, season it with the lemon. We're seasoning it, like cleaning it with the lemon. The lemon has an acid that can kill all the bacteria from the meat. Once I finish seasoning it, I will prepare it. I'm gonna take some water. I'm gonna warm some water so I can warm the meat. Yeah, I'm gonna warm up some water. These spices are the spices that I'm gonna be using: garlic powder, complete season. We have also have garlic. I will use them. Okay, thank you. Now I'm gonna warm up the meat. I'm warming it up, warming it up, warming it up. Make sure that it's well warmed up. We're seasoning the meat now. We're adding the meat in the spices. So we're gonna mix them up. We're mixing them up. We have to make sure it's well seasoned. We're adding some salt. We have to make sure that it's well seasoned. Mixing them up. Wow. Seasoning it. Good. It's well seasoned. Let the season get into it. So when you finish seasoning it, you just put it on the fire, put it on the stove, so the season can get into it. We will prepare the other stuff. The meat is boiling good now. It's being well seasoned now. It's being boiled now. Wow, it smells good. Now we're gonna use some sunflower. We're gonna prepare something with it. They call it boy in Creole. But before that, we're gonna pass it through the sieve. We're gonna strain it. Let's strain the flour. Sometimes the flour contains some bacteria, so let's make sure that we strain it so we can remove the bacteria. Going to add some salt. We are adding some salt and some water. We're adding some water. So this is the flour. So this is the salty water. Testing the salty water. So we find it normal. It's good. So we can also add some butter in the flour. We add some butter in the flour. We have olive oil. We put a little bit of it. A little bit of it. This is the salty water. We're adding it in the flour. We're adding it in the flour. We are mixing it. We are mixing it up. We are mixing them up. You see? You see how you do it? You add the salty water in the flour with the butter. You mix them up.
fin bat farine
when you're done doing that with to make sure you wash your hands. You wash your hands clean. Wash your hands clean. Then you can do this with the flour. This is the boy. You call it in Haitian Creole, boy. So you see, you just take a piece of it. We have the flour. It's wet, and now we can roll it up. We just roll it up. We just roll the flour. Roll the flour, and you get the boy. Then we can add it to the stew, making sure that everything is well prepared, is well done. And now we're gonna add the boy to the stew. So boy is the name of the stuff we prepared with the flour. We call it boy in Haitian Creole. And we're adding them to the stew.
It's good.
That's delicious.
Très joli.
Nice.
Et très appétissant.
Delicious.
Les goûts, très joli. Ce matin, les goûts, très joli. À la prochaine, bye bye. N'attendons ce channel là dans l'autre vidéo. Bye bye, à la prochaine.